how to add flashlight to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the lock screen or on the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on wallpaper, install. Next, tap on the lock screen panel. Then we go down to the bottom. Usually there are two shortcuts, one for the phone application, the other are for the camera. So you need to replace a shortcut. So here I will tap the one on the left hand side. Then instead of selecting the phone app, I will replace it. So instead of choosing the phone app, I will replace it with the torch or the flashlight. And then tap on the done button at the top to save the changes. Now go to your lock screen, and whenever you want to quickly activate the flashlight, just swipe it and the flashlight will turn on. And here we can swipe it again to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.